Hey folks, welcome again to Day at the Dude Ranch. This one's special. I'm going to keep it nice, brief, nice and short, and just give you basically show you what's going on here and what you could expect to see in the future stuff. So let's do that. And real quickly, so my day today is going to be getting this thing sanded, get the holes drilled, get it all ready to go, get the frets leveled, buff. I mean, that's my trick, is I want to finish this and get this mounted onto the guitar today. This one's going on the ESP LTD. It's an 8-string conversion neck. So we're going to get that thing done today. You've probably been following the Naima build, and there should be another video dropping soon, and it'll show you how I get closer to what you see here. So as you can see, it looks like a guitar. And it's going to be a guitar here very soon. Then we've got this one. This is going to be an 8-string. This is a Mimi. Beautiful black Limba Mimi 8-string. And I think I'm probably going to shape the neck sometime soon, because I think Ian wants it a little rounder than that. I don't know. Maybe I'll do an 8-string slide. Laps top steel. That would be cool. And this one's a TL12. And see why I call it a TL. And it's going to be 12-string baritone. We weren't sure about the pickup, so I'll probably redraw those. You know, always draw, take pictures. Yeah, kind of collaborate with the client to get that before we start cutting holes. This one, I think you know whose this one is, Zach. This one is a beauty. This one's going to be cool. And that one is a 30-inch baritone. As you can see, baritones are the theme around here. Careful. This one's going to get blued eventually. So that's a walnut on basswood, and it's chambered, so it's pretty light. And it'll be even lighter once I carve the neck. Because you can see all these necks I've got to get carving. And look at this one. This one's going to be really pretty. This one's going to be gray. So it gets in the paint booth. This is poplar. Look at that wood. Isn't that beautiful? I love using beautiful wood and then, you know, putting paint over it, because in that way it just shows that I'm not painting because I'm hiding mistakes. It's going to be gorgeous. And that one's got roasted maple necks. Really cool. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. But I wanted to take this moment now in the next video that you're going to see for the Naima, and I'm not sure which order you're seeing these in, but I use a tool, and I want to show you that tool real quickly. And let me just see if I can, any air in the compressor still. Okay, so we got that all blasted off. Now I've been using this tool lately for doing my frets, and the opening footage of the next Naima build, you see me using it on this one. And just real quickly, basically what it is we take an Ingersoll and Rand car sander. And let me show you, it comes with this plate. And these are made for, you know, massive body work, sanding and stuff like that. But what the mad scientist Steve there at Maximum Guitar Works did is he took these sanding blocks that he's got, radiusing sanding blocks, and you see they've got threaded inserts in there that fit the bolt hole patterns of this Ingersoll and Rand sander. And it's pneumatic, and I turned off my compressor, so I don't have any real juice in it. You saw I just kind of blasted some dust off. But let me see if I can get it just quietly moved. I doubt it will, because it usually needs about 90 pounds. Oh yeah, still works. So you see what it does there. And it takes a lot of the clock off and the time that it takes to do this, to get the radiusing, and it gives a more accurate position of it. Now, I still use the blocks, and I come in and clean it up, and then of course the flat bar to make sure that it's all leveled between here and there. Other than that, yeah, so you got to check out that footage if you haven't already. Again, obviously a lot of things are in my hand around here, one-man shop, but I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to finally put it on YouTube, what order. But that's what we're doing. So today I've got to really get this thing cracked. I'm the one who's got to get cracked, or lay off the crack. But anyway, I got to get this done. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me get to that. It's like 110 out, and it's pretty warm. So I got to get going, get on that as planned for plenty of water breaks. But I just wanted to show you guys this really cool. Obviously, I'm not sponsored by anybody. Nobody likes me. But I just think when I see something cool, I got to share it with folks. And what's really nice is I got these already with a compound radius. So I got a 10-12, which is most common other than 12-16. So those are the two most common I use. And so I got them with that. And thanks again for supporting Dude Craft Guitars. I wanted to keep a short, just throw out a short video, show you some neat little things that we're doing. And thank you again for following along with the builds and checking out the demos. I mean, it's pretty cool. We should have this demo up pretty soon because I plan on getting strings on it before the end of the week. And that's that about that. So, boom. Please click like, subscribe, all that. I really appreciate it. Thank you.